Sri Sai Ram. Dear children, welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam online video classes. So, we see that in last session, how can you find the angle between two lines when their slopes are given? Like the slopes of first line is m1, slope of other line is m2, then theta is angle between them. We know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So, in this session we see some problems. How can solve the problems? Given some conditions, means given slope of the lines. If sometimes slope is not given directly, given some point, we can find the slope, then find the angle between two lines. So, angle between two lines and related problems. Let us see first problem. What is the first problem here? Find the angle between the angle acute or obtuse between x axis and the line joining the points. Okay. Here two lines are not given here. Two lines are not given here. One line is given, another line is x axis. You know that x axis is a one line. It is also look like straight line. So, we have to find the angle between x axis, means x axis and the line joining the points. You know, line joining the points given here 3, 1. Where is 3, 1? X is 3. This is in fourth quadrant. No, x is positive, y is negative. I think 1, 2, 3. It's simply rough figure here. I think 1 and negative, y is negative, and this is minus 1. I take here point. This is rough. Okay. This is 3, minus 1. And another point is x is 4. This is 3, x is 4, you have to take here. This is 2. I think this is here. No need to put proper scale, just rough figure this one. Join these two lines, join these 2 points, we can get one line. So, what is the question? Find the angle between obtuse or acute angle between the lines x axis, means this x axis and the line joining the points, this one. Either you have to find this line, this angle theta, other you have to find this angle I called phi. What it may be, obtuse or acute? See, observe here, what is the tan theta value will come? We see that is obtuse or acute. First, we know the slope of the x axis. What is the slope of x axis? Say m1, 0, because there is no angle subtended this x. Always x axis slope is 0. You know that always x axis slope is 0, x axis line slope is 0, because there is no theta. If some line is inclined, then if theta is there, then m equal to tan theta is the slope. Remember, the x axis slope is 0 always. So, slope of x axis, say m1, is equal to 0. X axis slope is 0. What is slope of line L? And slope of line L. So, we know that here is given 2 points. How can you find the slope of line given 2 points? Using 2 point formula, x1, the point is given here. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. We know how can you find the slope of line by using 2 point form. L1 is say m2. Formula is y2 minus y1 dividing by x2 minus x1, correct? So, m2 is equal to y2, what is nothing but minus 2 minus y1 is nothing but minus 1 minus plus 1 dividing by x2, 4 minus 3. What is here? This is minus 1, correct? This is 1, is nothing but minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, this is minus 1. This is the slope of the line m2. M2 is the slope of the line L, line joining points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2. We know m1 here 0. We know m2. m1 is the slope of line, slope of x axis, that is always 0. And m2 is the slope of line joining points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2. So, use the formula. We know that tan theta is equal to, I see first acute angle, theta is, this is acute angle, no? Tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2. Substituting values. So, tan theta is equal to mod of, what is m1 here? 0 minus m2 is nothing but minus plus 1 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2, m1 is 0, m2 is minus 1, So, this is equal to, therefore, tan theta is equal to what happen here? So, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, this is actually 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So, tan theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to tan, how much 1 tan value? Tan 45 is nothing but 1. So, if tan theta equal to tan 45 implies that theta is equal to 45 degree, theta equal to 45 degree. So, theta is 45 degree. I find here only acute angle. You can also find obtuse angle. If this is 45 degree, we can say that this total is 180. 180 minus 45 you get obtuse angle also. You can find that one. Or here asking acute or obtuse. I find here acute angle, so theta equal to 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree is the angle between x-axis and the line joining points 3, -1, 4, -2. This is 45 degree. This is the first problem. I think you understand this problem. Okay, let us move next problem. See, what is the next problem here? Find the acute angle between the lines with slopes. Here directly given slopes, given points are not given. Direct question. Given m1 equal to, say m1 is 5 and m2 is equal to 2 by 3. Here given directly. Slopes are given. Find the acute angle between the lines with slopes 5 and 2 by 3. We know that if theta is angle between two lines, we know that tan theta is equal to, if theta is the angle between two lines, theta is angle between two lines, tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2. So, tan theta is equal to modulus of, what is m1? 5 minus m2 2 by 3 dividing by 1 plus m1 5 m2 2 by 3. Okay. Simplification. Tan theta is equal to, LCM is here 3, 3 5 is 15, 15 minus 2, correct? Simple calculation. 1 plus 5 2 is 10 by 3. Okay, simplification. So, tan theta is equal to mod of 15 minus 2 is nothing but 13 by 2 whole dividing by LCM is 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 10 is 13, correct, 13. So, this is also 3 now, this is also 3, not 2, 15 minus 2 is 13 by 3. So, I think 13 by 3 get cancelled, correct, or 3 cancel, 13 get, what is remaining here? Tan theta is equal to remaining 1, this is positive, no, open the mod. So, tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree is nothing but 1, instead of 1 write tan 45 degree. This is implies theta equal to, once again same answer, 45 degree. This is acute angle, correct. 45 is acute angle. You know what is acute angle, obtuse angle? If the angle is greater than 0 less than 90 is called acute angle. If the angle is greater than 90 less than 180, that is called obtuse angle, correct. So, theta is 45 degree. This is the angle between two lines when the slopes are 5 and 2 by 3. Let us move next problem. Solution. What is here? Find the obtuse angle between the lines. Slopes are 2 and -3. Here asking obtuse angle. First you have to find acute angle, then you have to find the obtuse angle. So, you can find acute angle, you can easily find the obtuse angle also. See what happened here. Suppose x-axis, this is x-axis. In the theorem I draw this same figure, no? This is the acute angle, suppose theta. This is the acute angle, suppose theta. This is phi obtuse angle, L1 and L2. First find theta, means acute angle, or this theta, both are same. You can easily find obtuse angle. See what is given here, find the obtuse angle between the lines. Slopes are given here, m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is equal to -3. Okay. We know that if theta is the angle between two lines, theta is the angle between two lines. Therefore, formula tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2. So, tan theta is equal to mod of, what is m1? 2 minus m2 is nothing but -2 minus plus 3, correct, plus 3, this is 1 plus m1 2, m2 is -3. Simplification, tan theta is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5, correct. So, this one is 1 as it is, 2 3s are minus 6, correct. 2 3s are minus 6, 1 as it is, 2 3s are multiplication minus 6. What happened here? Simplification, tan theta is equal to, this is becomes mod of minus 1, correct. 5 by minus 5, see 5, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, 5 get cancelled, this is minus 1. Remove the mod, tan theta is equal to 1. So, it is clearly tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. So, this is implies theta equal to 45 degree. Actually, theta is, this is acute angle. We need obtuse angle here, asking obtuse angle, which is a acute angle. But in the question there, here is asking obtuse angle. Suppose you know that this angle is how much, theta equal to 45 degree here, no? This total is nothing but we know that 180, correct, 180. So, we need this angle, this is obtuse angle, this is acute angle, this is also obtuse angle. We need this angle is nothing but 180 minus 45. Therefore, the obtuse angle is say phi 1, say is equal to, the formula is 180 minus theta. Theta is nothing but this angle. We know theta here. So, phi 1 is equal to 180 minus 45 degree, correct. So, this is not phi 1, only phi, okay. This is only phi. The obtuse, this is only phi, not phi 1, okay. So, phi is equal to 180 minus 45. So, phi is equal to, what is 180 minus, you take alpha, beta, capital A, what it may be, I think 135 degree, correct. 135 minus 40, 180, correct, 135 degree. So, this angle is 135 degree. Therefore, the obtuse angle is 135 degree. So, you find the acute angle, easily you have to find the obtuse angle, because 180 minus acute angle is nothing but obtuse angle. From the figure we see the theorem, okay. So, 135 degree is the obtuse angle between the lines with the slopes are 2 and minus 3, okay. Let us move next problem. See solution. I think this is also same problem, previous example. Find the acute and obtuse angle between the lines whose slopes are given here. Given m1 equal to 3 by 4 and m2 is equal to given minus 1 by 7. Here m1 and m2 are given, slopes of two lines are given. Very easy, first find the acute angle by using tan theta formula. So, we know acute angle, we can easily find the obtuse angle, okay. We know that theta is angle between two lines, we know that tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So, tan theta is equal to m1, what is m1 here? 3 by 4 minus m2 minus 1 by 7 minus plus 1 by 7 whole dividing by 1 plus m1 is nothing but 3 by 4, m2 is nothing but minus 1 by 7. So, simplification, tan theta is equal to mod of LCM is 28, correct, 7 4 is 28, 7 3 is a 21 plus 4 cross multiplication whole dividing by, this one is plus minus minus, 3 1s are 3, 4 7s are multiplier 28, correct. This is theta. Tan theta is equal to mod of 21 plus 4 25 dividing by 28 whole by, this is 28, 28 ones are 28, 28 minus 3 is again, this is 25, correct. 28 minus 3, once again 25 by 28, 25 28 get cancelled, tan theta is equal to remaining 1. So, clearly implies theta is equal to 45 degree. You know tan 45 is 1. Instead of 1 you write tan 45, again theta equal to 45 degree. See, theta is acute angle actually. Lines, this is L1, L2. Oh, this is theta, angle between, acute angle between two lines. This is acute angle, asking both now, which is acute angle? Which is a acute angle, correct. What is the obtuse angle here? If theta is this, theta is 45 degree here. We know this total is straight angle 180 degree. We say phi obtuse angle. Therefore, phi is equal to, means obtuse angle equal to, this total is 180, no? 180 minus this one, we get phi. So 180 minus theta. So phi equal to 180 minus 45 degree, 180 degree. Phi equal to 135 degree. 135 degree, which is a which angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. The question asking both acute angle and obtuse angle. Where acute angle is 45 degree and obtuse angle is 135 degree. Okay. Let us see next problem. So this problem is a little bit given indirectly. So slopes is not given directly here. We can find slope by taking given condition. So find the acute angle between the lines L1 and L2. L1, L2, theta is acute angle, phi is obtuse angle. Okay. Find the acute angle between the lines L1 and L2, where L1 means this line, formed by joining the points. I take here 0, 0, joining the point 0, 0 and 2, 3. 2, 3. Just draw the rough figure. And L2 by joining the points 2, 2. I take here 2, minus 2. This 2, minus 2, and this one is 3, 5. Correct? Then you have to find the angle between these two lines, that is theta. Only acute angle, not phi. So first find the slope of line L1 by taking 2-point form. Find slope of L2 by taking 2 points. 2-point form. Find the slope of L1, say M1, and find the slope of line L2 by say M2. Then use the same formula. Slope of line joining L1, line joining points. Slope of line joining L1 is say M1 equal to, you say M1. We know that y2 minus y1 dividing by x2 minus x1. So L1 is nothing but x1 y1, line joining points are 0, 0 and 2, 3, x2 y2. So M1 is equal to, what is y2? 3 minus 0 dividing by x2. x2 is 2 minus 0. Correct? L1 slope. L1 is the line joining point 0, 0 and 2, 3. This is becomes 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 by 2. This is M1. Similarly, slope of line joining L2 is, see L2, see the figure, draw the figure, you can easily understand the values. L2 is, you say M2, okay. Same formula, y2 minus y1 dividing by x2 minus x1. M2 is equal to x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Either give name here x1 or here x2 y2, no problem, answer will come same. Okay. Y2, what is y2 here? 2 minus 2 minus, what is y1? 5, x2 2 minus x1 3. So this is equal to, what is M2? M2 is nothing but, this is minus 7 dividing by minus 1 is nothing but 7, correct? Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, M2 is plus 7. So we know M1, that is 3 by 2, we know M2 7, use the tan theta formula, okay. So I think the figure work is over now, just you draw the figure whenever you practice the problems. Here, rub the figure, because I need some space for solving the angle theta. Just pause the video if you need figure and draw the figure and continue. Okay. So, we know that if we know M1 and we know M2, we know that angle between the lines, angle between the two lines, we know that WKT, we know that tan theta is equal to mod of M1 minus M2 dividing by 1 plus M1 into M2. So, tan theta is equal to mod of, what is M1 here? M1 is 3 by 2 minus M2 7 dividing by 1 plus M1 3 by 2 M2 7 into 7. Okay. Simplification, tan theta is equal to mod of LCM is 2 7s are 14, 3 minus 14, correct, 2 7s are 14, 2 7 2s are 14, 3 minus 14 by 1 plus 7 3s are 21 by 2, correct. Simplification, tan theta is equal to, so this is minus L1 by 2, correct, 3 minus 14 minus L1 by 2 dividing by 2 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 21 is nothing but how much, 23, correct, 2 to get cancel. So, observe once again, slope of line joining L1 is, I erase the figure just here, L1 is nothing but 0, 0, 2, 3, the formula is y2 minus y1 divided x2 minus x, means y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 is 3, 2 minus 0, this is 3 by 2, correct. Okay, M1 is correct. Slope of line joining L2, 2, minus 2, 3, 5, y2 minus y1, 5 plus 2, this is y2 minus y1, okay. This is x1 I given, x1, y1, x2, y2, no problem. y2 minus y1 minus 2, minus 5, correct, dividing by x2 minus x1, 2, minus 3, correct, minus 2, minus 7, by this is also correct. Using formula tan theta equal to M1 minus M2 dividing 1 plus M1 into M2. So, M1 is 3 by 2 minus M2 7, correct. So, we are dividing 1 plus M1 is 3 by 2, M2 is 7, both are positive. Okay, LCM is 2 here, 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 3 is minus L1, here minus L1, correct, 2 7s are 14, this 7 3 21 by 2, 7 3s are 21 by 2, correct, 3 7s 21 by 2, correct. So, LCM is 2 here and this is LCM is 2, here is also LCM 2 to get cancel, minus L1, this one is 2 1s are 2 plus 21 23, so minus L1 by 23. Here where is this one, what is here, tan theta is equal to minus L1 by 23, open the mouth, tan theta is equal to L1 by 23. See, observe here, L1 by 23 is not a standard value of any angle of theta. So, you write like this, this is implies we can write like this, theta is equal to tan inverse of L1 by 23. I think this may be acute angle between the, we can use the, we can find this values L1 by tan inverse of L1 by 27 by using logarithmic tables. How can you find the, by using our scientific calculator we can find this value theta. Okay, just observe once it is acute angle or not. Okay, this is the answer, tan inverse of theta is equal to tan inverse of L1 by 20 not 27, this is 23, here is 23, no, 23, tan inverse of L1 by 23. This is the angle between the two lines L1 and L2 given here joining the 2 points. Okay, let us start next problem. Okay, solution, I think this is the last problem in the session. If the angle between two lines is given here, directly angle is given here, given theta equal to given, you take theta, angle between two lines given here pi by 4. Okay, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4, theta is given, and slope of the one of the line is say M1, slope of the line, one of the line is say M1, M1 is equal to 1 by 2. Find the slope of the other line, say M2. take m2 is equal to m, say, okay. See, observe here, theta is given, one line slope is given. Find the slope of the other line. We have to find the slope of other line, that is m2. You take m2 equal to m, say m2 is equal to m, means you have to find m2 values or m values, because m2 is nothing but I take here m, like this. These two lines, theta is given here, how much? 5/4 is given here, this is given, means 45 degree given. This is L1, this is L2. This is, suppose m1 you take, slope of this line is given here, how much? 1/2. So suppose the slope of this line is m2, you have to find the slope of this line m2, second line, okay. Means you say this is L1, no, this is L2, means you have to find slope of this line m2 is equal to question mark. I take here m, then you have to find the value of m. You understand? Okay. How we know that? If theta is angle between one slopes are given here, we know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2. Tan of theta is nothing but 45 degree is equal to mod of, what is m1? 1/2. m2 is nothing but m, no? m2 is nothing but m. m is the slope of other line, that is m2. 1 plus 1/2 into m. Correct? m2 is m. m2 is m, m is 1/2. We know tan 45 is nothing but 1. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. Take LCM here to 1 minus 2m. This is 1 plus m/2. Correct? So 1 equal to here mod of 1 minus 2m by 2 whole dividing by 2 LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus m. 2 to get cancel here. What is remaining here? 1 is equal to, open the mod, 1 minus 2m. See, we know that when open the mod, you take here plus or minus. Either you have to take here plus or minus, because in modulus it may be values negative or positive. Either write plus or minus here or here. Suppose you open the mod, you write anywhere, both are correct. Apply both LHS or RHS. Whenever you open the mod, in the mod that should be negative values. How can you write in outside positive? If the positive, then you also write positive. So you take both whenever you solve the mod, whenever you remove the mod, take plus or minus 1. Otherwise you take here plus or minus 1. Okay. 1 minus 2m dividing by 2 plus m. Here we have two values of m, because plus or minus. One time take plus 1 and another time take minus 1. What happened here? I take plus 1 here. 1 is equal to 1 minus 2m dividing by 2 plus m. Next, or, so again here minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2m dividing by 2 plus m. Simplification, 2 plus m is equal to 1 minus 2m, or multiply here minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus m into minus 1 minus m is equal to 1 minus 2m. Take 2m this side, minus 2m this side plus 2m, again one more m here, total becomes 3m. 1 you take 2 this side minus 2, or take minus 2 this side plus 2, minus 2m becomes plus 2m, plus 2m minus m, only m here. You take minus 2 that side, 1 this is becomes plus 2. Okay, 3m is equal to minus 1, or m is equal to here 3. So you know m equal to 3. What is one more m equal to here? I can write here m equal to, if 3m equal to minus 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 3m is equal to minus 1, so m is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3, or this one m equal to 3. These are the values of m when angle between two lines is pi/4 and slope of one line is 1/2, and the slope of other line we have 2. Slope of other lines are 2. One is minus 1/3 and the other is 3. That is m2. M is nothing but m2, no? Slope of other lines. So the answer is minus 1/3 and plus 3. Okay. I think you understand all the problems today's session. Very simple problems. But remember the formula. Angle between two lines. That is very important. If m1 is m2 given, use tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1. This is very important. So one more concept here. Observe here. If the two lines are parallel, if the two lines are parallel, then theta equal to 0. There is no angle, the angle between two lines is 0. If two lines are perpendicular, the angle between two lines is 90 degree. No need to use any formula. We see that m1 is equal to m2, means if the slope of lines are equal, the lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, clearly we say that theta equal to 0. See, suppose I take here m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is equal to 2. What happened? Tan theta equal to, theta will come clearly 0, because slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, then there is no angle between the lines, means theta equal to 0. Clearly use the formula m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2. Slopes given same, you write directly theta equal to 0. No need to use the formula, because the lines are parallel. So tan theta is equal to m1 is 2 minus m2 is 2, 1 plus 2 into 2. See, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 by number is 0. Tan theta is equal to 0. We know that tan theta is equal to 0. This is tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. So theta equal to clearly 0. Slopes are equal, lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, there is no angle between the two lines. That is that time theta equal to 0. So one more condition. Suppose I take m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to minus 2. So observe here. m1 into m2 you have to observe here, m1 is 2, m2 is minus 1 by 2. What happened here? 2 to get cancelled, minus 1. Means the product of slope is minus 1. You know, in the previous sessions, the product of slope is minus 1. Means the lines are perpendicular to each other. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, so this slope is 2, this slope is minus 1 by 2, you have to multiply this 2. We got m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. If m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, the lines are perpendicular to each other. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, then what is the angle between the lines? Is 90 degree. Correct. So again use the formula, we will get same answer. Tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So tan theta is equal to m1 is 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2 dividing by 1 plus m1 is 2, m2 is 1 minus 1 by 2. See, 2 to get cancelled. 1 minus 1 is 0. This becomes 0 here. 1 plus or minus 1 is 0. N equal to 0, infinity. Tan theta is equal to infinity. Tan how much infinity? Tan theta is equal to tan 90, tan pi by 2. So theta is equal to implies pi by 2, means 90 degree. If the product of slope is minus 1, the lines are perpendicular to each other. If the lines are perpendicular, then theta equal to pi by 2. See, first observe, if slopes are equal, the line slopes are equal, clearly you say that the angle between two lines is 0 degree. Multiply both slopes m1, m2. If you get minus 1, then you say that the angle between two lines is 90 degree. This is pi by 2. Okay, and this concept you have to remember, you will save the time, no need to use the formula. If these two conditions are not satisfied for m1, m2, you can go through the tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 dividing by 1 plus m1 into m2. Understood? Okay. So I think you understood all the problems today's session and some notes. I hope you understand all the concept and watch the video again and again till you understand all the problems. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Jai Sai Ram.